Want to speed up your mixing process? Let me show you how to use mixing templates in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Create a new session. In Pro Tools, you have the option to create a session from a template. I've already created a basic mixing template which I showed in a previous video. So I'm going to select my group, then choose my basic mixing template. All the inputs and outputs are already set up. Step 2. Add the tracks of your new mix into the session and organize them. You can arrange them however you prefer, but for better workflow, I generally organize my mix tracks the same way I organize the basses. Kick comes first, followed by drums, bass, music, vocals, and effects. Step 3. Assign the outputs of the tracks to the appropriate basses. For example, route the kick track to the kick bass, the bass track to the bass bass, and so on. Step 4. Color code the groups of tracks to make navigation through your session easier. Step 5. Play the mix. Step 6. Mute and unmute the basses in your mix to check if every track is routed to the correct bass. And that's it. If you want to improve your mixes and masters in less than 10 minutes, go ahead and download your cheat sheet. I'm Adrian Milea. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.